Minmi, named after Minmi Crossing, Australia, is a genus of small ankylosaurian dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period, about 119 to 113 million years ago. The type species, M. paravertebra, was described by Ralph Moellner in 1980. A nucleodistic analysis performed by Thomson et al. 2011 suggests that Minmi is the basalmost known ankylosaurid. Two well-preserved specimens of Minmi have been described, including a mostly complete skeleton, and additional fragments may pertain to this genus. Minmi was found near the Minmi Crossing in the Bungill Formation, near Roma, Queensland, Australia. It was first described in 1980 by Ralph E. Moellner, who also named the type species. Minmi had 4 long legs, with hind legs that were larger than front legs, a short neck, and a wide skull with a very small brain. The dinosaur grew about 2 m long, and was roughly 1 m tall to the top of the shoulder. The Minmi moved relatively slowly on 4 legs based on its estimated mass and its leg length, as determined by scientists from fossilized tracks. Minmi was a small armored dinosaur, classified in Ankylosauria, that was quadrupedal, and had a long tail. As with other ankylosaurians, Minmi was herbivorous. Unlike most herbivorous dinosaurs, there is direct evidence of the diet of Minmi. Gut contents are known from the well-preserved nearly complete Minmi sp specimen, found in the abdominal cavity in front of the left ileum. The gut contents consist of fragments of fibrous or vascular plant tissue, fruiting bodies, spherical seeds, and vesicular tissue. The most common remains are the fibrous or vascular fragments, which are typically rather uniform in size at 0.6 to 2.7 millimeters long, and have clean cuts at their ends, perpendicular to a given fragment's long axis. Because of the small size of the fragments, they have been interpreted as having been nibbled from plants or chopped in the mouth, evidence of some method of retaining food in the mouth. These small fragments may have come from twigs or stems, but their size is more suggestive of vascular bundles in leaves. The clean cuts and lack of gastroliths suggest that the animal relied on oral processing instead of gastroliths or grit to grind food. The seeds and fruiting bodies were apparently swallowed whole. Comparison to gut contents and scat from modern herbivorous lizard, emu, and goose indicates that this Minmi individual had a more sophisticated process for cutting up plant material. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe to WizScience on YouTube or visit wizscience.com.